All right, let's start recording. Today we're going to be talking about the Davies sisters. Davies sisters, who are they? First things first, we always get the idea of what the passage is about, and slowly, because it's a passage one and it's factual, we don't want to waste a lot of time. So the Davies sisters between 1908 and 1924, Gwendolyn and Margaret Davies amassed one of the largest collections of late 19th and early 20th century French paintings in Britain. Okay, very nice. Okay, so we're going to be basically talking about arts related, something that's related to art and collected by Davies sisters. So anyways, we have their grandfather's wealth came from, we have grandfathers and transportation business. Okay, their upbringing gave them a sense of social responsibility. Their something was designed to give them an interest in activities such as collecting art. Their governess took them on trips to art galleries. Okay, they took lengthy something about the things they saw in art galleries. They took lengthy something. It could relate to travel. Pretty common word in IELTS reading passages. There something showed like old master paintings. But they were expensive to buy. Okay, their early purchases were safe, popular paintings. What I want to do is I just want to find this probably impacted the first World War. I want to find old masters, as you can see, old master paintings. Impact of the First World War. As you can see, First World War. There you go. So what is interesting about this is that Hugh Blaker, and we need to find Hugh Blaker. If we don't find it in these paragraphs and next, starting from here, it is most probably going to be above. Hugh Blaker. Hugh Blaker. There it is. So Hugh Blaker. Which means that the 8-9 is going to be before that. So let's see what we can do. We need to find the grandfather first of all. Okay, we're the granddaughters of David Davies. As you can see, grandfather is called granddaughters of David Davies. So David Davies is the grandfather. Came from something in transportation business, who amassed a fortune in the shipping and mining industries. Shipping is the transportation, and mining is the next one. So we have mining. I'm gonna also put paraphrasing tables, so for the sake to understand that words from words from questions, and similar words from passage. All right, so what I'm gonna do, let me just increase this a tiny bit. Okay, just to make it 14. There you go. So the first one, as you can see, the first one was transportation. The paraphrase is shipping. See that? Pretty easy. Just to know that because paraphrasing helps you to navigate between the words very quickly. So there you go. Mining industry. Because because reading is all about time, so you need to be very quick. So mining. There you go. Their upbringing gave them a sense of social responsibility. Okay, social responsibility. So the religious upbringing. Okay, as you can see, we found this part. There something was designed to give them an interest, and they chose to use their inheritance for something. While there was no real family history, the sister's education was rigorously geared towards such pursuits. There you go. So while there was no real family history of art collecting, the sister's education was rigorously geared towards such pursuits, such as talking about art collecting. So their education was designed. So education is the answer for us. So we're gonna put question 2. Question 2 over there, and put it as education. Was it rigorously geared toward, right? Geared toward. I'm just gonna write that. Designed, right? Designed, geared toward. There you go. So 3, their governess took them to trips to art galleries. Okay, traveled extensively. So as you can see, traveled extensively. Governess. So extensive, so they traveled extensively, so they took lengthy something about the things. Visiting art galleries and making extensive notes on the collections there. So they make extensive notes. So the answer is going to be here, notes about. So they took lengthy something. In order for this to be travel, the word here should not be about, should be in. But since we have the word about, notes about the things. So you cannot say they took lengthy travel about the things. No, you have to say they took lengthy travels in. That's first of all. Second of all, the word traveled is not suitable for the word lengthy traveled, so it's basically going to be grammatically wrong. All right, so we have another answer here, Jane Blaker. So question 3, as you can see, so lengthy means extensive, so put 3 over here. Lengthy means extensive. 4. All right, there's something showed their old master paintings. Who? By the way, we have Hugh Blaker as well here. The Davies' childhood influenced the way they decided to use their wealth. Okay. The Davies' childhood influenced the way they used their wealth. There's something that says the sisters were said to be wealthiest unmarried women in Britain. Their religious upbringing in rural Wales gave them a sense of social responsibility, and they chose to use their inheritance for cultural and philanthropic purposes. Childhood. Did their childhood influence? Yes. Their religious upbringing. Their religious upbringing means upbringing is talking about the childhood. So basically, the answer is going to be here. So this is going to be question 8. So here is going to be the answer true. The reason for that, so let me just put 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 here is going to be duck. All right, so let's say childhood. Yeah, here is going to be upbringing. There you go. Whoops. So nevertheless, okay, so very quickly, if you're struggling to follow that, then I'm sorry to say that you have to work very fast. The sisters art collectors, old master paintings. We have old master paintings somewhere around here. So let's look at the question number 9 as well. The Jean Baptiste Camille Corot, okay, paintings in the Davies' collection was purchased from gallery in France. Were purchased from gallery in France. Okay, let's see that. Right. 4. There's something showed. The sisters' journals reveal their performance of old master paintings. Journals. So the showed is revealed. So good. Journals. Nice. 4. Showed, revealed. There you go. 5 later, it's going to be changing. Okay, 5. The early purchases were safe. Popular paintings. Okay. Their first Impressionist paintings. Where's Impressionist paintings? There you go, Impressionist. They showed places in. However, it is only a few years ago. What did this show? So they turned to the work of French Impressionists. So we know that Hugh Blaker, as a champion of contemporary French art, had a hand in the decision. So he also was a part of the making decision. And we know also that they would have seen examples on their various trips to Paris. Whatever the precise reason for this change, their first Impressionist paintings, made in October 1912, were scenes of Venice, showed places. Venice. There you go. So, okay, we're going to highlight it over here. Nice. Question 5. Nice. Venice. Scenes of, places in. Showed places in Venice. of Venice. So were scenes of, showed places. So it's gonna show the places. And here is the were scenes of. 6 later, so on and so forth. Jean Baptiste, we didn't see Jean Baptiste yet, or did we? Or most probably I skipped. But I don't see that I don't see that I skipped, did I? Jean Baptiste. I need to find Jean Baptiste very quickly. Okay, there you go. Paintings by the French artist Jean-Baptiste Camille Corot. Okay. Let's go for the 6. Impact of the First World War. World War, I found it over here. They helped bring artists from Belgium to Wales. Okay, there you go. Belgium to Wales, we found it. They worked in a something for soldiers in France. So later in the conflict, both sisters decided to volunteer at a canteen for troops at Troyes. Okay. In a canteen. Nice. Worked in, so volunteer at. Okay, worked in, volunteer at. Number 7. Opinions about the sister. They were not considered typical collectors. They live in isolation. They said they were tedious. We need to find the word isolation. Isolation in rural Wales, as you can see. They lived in isolation in the countryside and did not have any something who were artists. Didn't make friends with artists. So artists, they didn't have any friends. So didn't make. Did not have, didn't make. Did not have is a did not have, did not make. Nice. 9. Jean Baptiste. Did we find Jean Baptiste? We found it over here, yeah? Quite simply, high quality of old masterworks, if not beyond their means, then beyond what they were willing to pay for them. Instead, their early purchases were of the fashionable, safe variety and included, for example, paintings by French artist Jean-Baptiste Camille Corot. From a gallery in France. We know that they purchased Jean-Baptiste Camille Corot paintings, but do we know the difference they bought it in France or not? Because we know it's a French, we know it's a French art. But we do not necessarily know if they were bought in France. So we're going to give it as not given. Oppose the Davies sisters. Did he oppose or not? He didn't oppose Hugh Blaker. There was something that he had a decision in hand. We know that Hugh Blaker, as a champion of contemporary art, had a decision had a hand in the decision, and we know that they also do seen examples of the various trips. Opposed the Davies' decisions to buy. No, he didn't oppose. He had a hand in the decision. Oppose. So here the word oppose. I'm going to write contradict because it's a false. I'm going to make it as had a hand in the decision, right? There we go. Number 10. Whoops. It's number 10. Okay. This was number 10 because number 9 was not given. That's why. The exhibition of Cézanne paintings at Bath Gallery was very popular with the public. But one thing that I forgot to do with you guys is that true, false, not given. True, let's say TF and G, or yes, no, not given questions. They have core words. Core words are like 1 or 2 words that are very important for you to understand. So for example, here the word very popular. In question number 12, the impact of the First World War encouraged Gwendoline to reconsider her interest. The Davies sisters bought French impressions art during a period when very few people, see, few, not a few, but few. There's a big grammatical, let's say, twists. So 11, okay, Cézanne, where's Cézanne? We need to find Cézanne, there you go. was very popular with the public. It was tedious and distressing work which would have a permanent effect on Gwendolyn's health. Yet on one of numerous trips to nearby Paris, she visited the Bernheim Gin Gallery. Here she acquired 2 works by Cézanne. The paintings were shipped directly to Bath, England, and where they became the first works by Cézanne to go on display in public gallery in Britain. So, but they went to the public in Britain, but were they very popular or not is very dark for us. No given. The impact of the First World encouraged Scotland to reconsider. First World War. Okay. Okay. Where's World War? Okay. By the early 1920s, Gwendolyn felt increasingly uncomfortable buying artworks when faced with poverty and social upheaval created by the First World War. Her philanthropic pursuits then became focused almost exclusively on social causes and the development of Sisters' Home at the Grignon Halley into a conference center and venue for the Grignon Festival of Music of Poetry. Yes. There you go. Gonna highlight that very quickly. Question number 12. So she then became exclusive on social causes and the development of Sisters' Home. As you can see, yes, the answer is going to be true. Let's gotta make this 11 was not given, so we're gonna skip that. So we're gonna make it 12. 12 means reconsider her interest, then became focused, and so on. And lastly, 13 bought French impression art during a period when very few people. The sisters collected French impressionist paintings at a time when such art was routinely ignored by individuals and institutions alike. Yes. Another true for us. Question number 13. Was routinely ignored by individuals and institutions. So very few people. Very few people is going to be the answer as routinely ignored by individuals and institutions alike. Good. There you go, guys. We finished all of the questions, all 13 questions. The follow-up video is going to be about why we need silence. Okay, I think it's going to be fun. But nevertheless, if you have any questions, make sure to comment down below. If I'm speaking very fast, then I must. You don't necessarily have to start a very heated debate about why am I speaking fast and I had to speak slowly. So you can, by the way, YouTube has a very good feature where you can just basically slow down the video regarding the speed. So nevertheless, thank you very much for watching. If you have any questions, again, make sure to comment down below and sure to subscribe as well. Share it to those people who don't necessarily have the fortune to pay for IELTS courses. And at the same time, I'm going to be, after we finish everything into a question, Cambridge 2021 will solely focus on writing and help you elevate your score. So thank you very much.